Mercury. Once believed to be two separate stars, it is the smallest planet in our solar system, barely larger than the Moon. Surface temperatures can go from a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit to a frigid 300 degrees below zero. 48 million miles from the Earth, Mercury is dangerously close to the Sun, making it possibly the most difficult of the 8 planets to reach. So will we ever unravel the mysteries of this tiny world? Orbiting the Sun every 88 days, far faster than any other planet. Mercury is the smallest of the 4 terrestrial planets, even smaller than Ganymede and Titan, moons of Saturn and Jupiter. Yet Mercury is extremely dense, the second densest planet in the solar system after Earth. The planet is thought to be more than 2/3 metallic and just 1/3 silicate or rock. Its molten core has a higher iron content than any other major planet in the solar system, and the core makes up a larger portion of its mass, 42%. Mercury's landscape is similar to our Moon, with extensive mare or plains, and marked by deep craters, scarring left behind after millions of years of bombardment by comets and other celestial debris. With an atmosphere so weak it's barely detectable, comets and other space debris headed for Mercury don't burn up on their way down as they do on Earth. In fact, they're barely slowed at all, so any meteor or asteroid pulled into the planet's orbit will eventually smash into this rocky world. One crater, the Chloris Basin, is 800 miles in diameter, making it one of the largest impact sites in the solar system. It is so large, in fact, that scientists believe this collision actually reshaped the topography on the opposite side of the planet. Mercury is so small and its gravity so weak that it is unable to hold on to an atmosphere for any significant length of time. Unlike Earth and the huge gas giants of the outer solar system, Mercury's lack of an atmosphere means it essentially has no weather. The sunlight is so intense, in fact, that some astronomers believe it has actually eroded the surface of the planet for billions of years. But despite this intense heat, ice may actually be found in the deep craters at the planet's north and south poles. Radar data has shown that water, permanently frozen, may exist in areas shaded from the sun. Mercury, in galactic terms, is very close to Earth. Surprisingly, little is known about this planet. Orbiting so close to the sun makes it extremely difficult to study.
Planet Earth and planet Mercury have one thing in common. They are the only magnetized planets in the solar system. The only ones on which you could navigate using a magnetic compass. Earth's magnetic field is strong, protecting us from bursts of hot plasma spit out by the sun. But Mercury's magnetosphere is much weaker, and the rocky little world orbits 2/3 closer to the sun. The solar wind scours Mercury's poles, blasting sodium and oxygen particles, charging them, much as oxygen and nitrogen in Earth's atmosphere fluoresce to form beautiful auroras in our polar skies. Sunstorms can damage satellites in Earth orbit, and NASA's Messenger Science probe in Mercury orbit must weather a constant hurricane of charged particles as it continues its quest to understand the small planet closest to our star.